17, 18, 19, 20. Where's 17, 18, 19, 20? Four kittens. Woo!
Look at this, Zane.
Whoa! Completed. Completed a whole run. Completed a whole condo. Ah, that's sweet. Mommy! What are you doing?
Oh, I see it. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that. Let's beat you that.
So we're back at the condo.
Looks like a bluish gray tint.
You know what you're doing?
No, of course not. Do I need to tape it? I think I should, huh?
So we're gonna take the hammer and we're gonna hit the cabinet. That seems like a good idea. Why are you doing this? No way, no. That's how you know your cabinet's strong.
Can we just move it down?
We have to look at some point. You want to try to move it?
Yeah.
That just gave me shivers. You guys can use the wood and ply it out. We're gonna put it.
Then make it like that and then you can break it. And then fall on.
Guys, I'm gonna flip you around, okay? Okay, that ruined it, okay. Do you need me to help?
Put it over here. Let's just try to lift it up. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my!
Did you do it now?
I'll help.
Maybe you're Daddy me and Daddy Ava.
No, I'm not helping. I can't do it, I can't do it.
Both lift it. Then do it like this by yourself.
Why are you guys not wearing shoes? Told you many times. Look at those toes. I'm sorry.
Oh, we got it all. All right, we're gonna try to break up this granite. See if this works. Just hit it in this corner right here. Let's see. Really split like I hoped it would. There it goes. Alright, try again. Just Put a board underneath there. I don't think the neighbors like that. That gets the job done. Pretty big gap back there. All right, granite is in. They came a day early. A day earlier than we expected them, but we've been busy painting and we're pretty much ready for them. We got the cabinets, at least the frames of the cabinets all painted, primed them, painted them, gave them 2 coats, and then 2 coats on the walls where the granite was going to be. But yeah, the granite looks pretty good. Got the undermount sink, pretty big, and they cut us 2 holes. Got a single faucet and then a soap dispenser. They said wait 2 days until we hook up the plumbing. But we got everything ready in there. Not totally happy with the way we cleaned up that hole, but it looks pretty good. That'll do for now. Yeah, we got the faucets ready to put in over here. Just give this 2 days and then hook them up. No big issues when they're installing them, except they kind of surprised us coming a day early. We want a little bit more time to prep and paint. Here is the bathroom. This is quartz. Again, just got to seal it back there. Got our undermount sink. Got most of the bathroom painted also. Still got to work on some areas, give it a second coat. But things are coming along. Still waiting on these guys to do the drill and fill. They were supposed to show up last week. Again, they didn't show up. Right now they're supposed to come on Friday, so we'll see if that works. Besides that, just working on the trim. And then giving a second coat to the rest of the walls and the ceiling. And then starting to work on this floor. Probably gotta do some leveling in this corner, and then a lot of scraping. Prep the floor for the laminate. And then move on to the closets. Zane, say hi. Zane.
Hi.
You playing soccer?
Noah. Noah.